people, Anna day. An happy weekend. Also na day fine. Also na day enjoy yourself. Me I first talk with you. I want talk before I go play this Monica out the video where she do yesterday. First of all, Monica, you are a good person. You know, said me I don't hate anybody. Me I first just talk. I like what you do yesterday. Some people say they don't like her. More na reason. The time where she there for whole land, you are free to be calling her. They report, they tell this one, I saw this one do. Now I saw the other one do. Right on, carry down. Some people where they follow una. I feel they talk and say they don't get brain. They don't get sense. The woman don't reach where her husband dey. Why he oh, why home? How person you talk to una go listen. How person una want go destroy there before your back carol. Now let she dey. Anytime when you like you call her, even though say she dey sleep, your back go answer you. One they use sense. Now she don't dey where her husband dey. Why low? Why low? Now they use sense. All these follower. Some of them, not be all, some of them. Now they call sound where this quarrel, where they quarrel, when then you know agree settle. When they'll hear for that one, they'll come. Wait till you they hear, wait till you hear for that side. She they use it direct, they cost you. You go say, Wamufua, you no, you supposed to reply. Oma say, they go they put fire. They go they put petrol. Una no get sense. I really like that video. I know say some people still come and they'll call it sort out, but every no a mad daughter mugwa. Or maybe no yata, she don't know she want to talk. Oh, when you that una not the year, una not the year word. Why waga push waga mona still no say he don't reach where husband dey. Sometimes any sorrow ne something go there where she know they do again. Una no get sense. Una go call in the morning, afternoon, evening. Una go they call, not be say the call na better call. Na nyama what did they do for social media? Why they urge? They call your name for the other side. I cause them. Don't wear a common a homana hene. They say na so they go they send something go they give her. I go play am on the listing. I really like what she do because some follower they be evil, they be devil. They don't like better thing, they don't like good thing. They don't even like you self. They just they pretend say they like you. They go they push you. We see over the house how that time. I'm not saying they push and well. They push and. I like what you do. You even for the video say what she do. You say other phone now where you on where pass through. Now we pass through. Can you imagine? Una no they get sense. Ona like all umuta, all iweta, all la ota, all ikbe emietene yarwene no ma jaloni santa. Una no they get sense. Person say no they do again. Una go they send message go give am. See this video, you do now. Watch am now you they talk to. Maybe that person no even they talk to now. Why win your waka? And for Monica now, when you I know we love you because you love me. Or you send me the video. I go send down. No worry, me I even cut there. Can't give you. They go they send. I know you there. No we mocha. Now me I go fight. I be ladian. Wanna get sense. Also why you don't tell una all his story. Wanna package. Wanna go one corner. Wanna go one side. Wanna understand. Say okay, you not be single again. Una understand now woman way husband not dey house. Anything where you like you go they do for them. Anytime where you like you take answer phone. But now also what that for any limited waro. Why ya where rani? Mona they use una brain. Mona not go driver. Now that phone where is ya? That me or your follower. Now that one I want. Now the truth because if you there alone, you do anything where you like. Now anytime where you like, now you take sleep. Now they see at that time now where she dey alone. Anytime where she like, now she take the con line. But this time now all can do select because he with your husband don't dey inside house. Mona use una brain. Mona nothing say he use una, he throw away una. No, he not use una, throw away una. Because he don't fair they tell una say one limit he get one way she talk and that one he say one lady whether na man one corner she go oh go you know that kind of thing only sata so he go vex for una now, he go vex for that person and she not even make sure anybody name but people will get brain you go pick for inside say okay mokwe hana ya limit I know how they do as I they do before she don't reach it because I want my you understand me husband no you can't vex can't tell now what you not like say okay now since you don't reach here they not allow you to rest you go choose or you follow that side or you go follow this side so the best thing before your husband will come tell now when you cut amowa wasiaga yeke it too different mona bolona aga mona carry and go back now the truth or I say Monica, I love you for that. If not me, I go even talk am. If not me, I go even talk am. I go even talk am because some man go wagwan on the year. Now fight, now some they fight for person. Now do everything. When it's on the year when that person they tell me say he don't do. I not fit again. Waga push waga do why. As she cry come out so now that one I good pass. For me I don't know what the one now they think but person really you know say we black we not care anytime when you like them to the call person or you both the get limits so woman wey dey house you get the time when you take the call now you get the time when you not take the call now you can't tell and say okay nia if really so na be better person una tell and say since you don't deal with your Ghana they go know keke na ya atie we na she go come tell you say okay if I dey live video you feel the call or if I you understand because you feel send message no me say mommy message in it when she like she go answer you because now just carry for the night Monica waji your ex they talk they use it direct they call you if they use it direct they insult you now cause all these things because what you see for that side you go bring upon this one what you see for the other side you now carry upon this side. Now it cause all these things. But if tomorrow, God comes and make the concept to call all the una fight now, they fight in Wagbe now why nothing. Because me I don't know what una fight put. All this one where money some people where Monica they talk where not really direct yago guane. Me I don't know the kind of fight una fight. Because not be said they get maybe business. Una no one made that business go down. Now because of that one, na come they fight. We know they agree make your business go down. Una know na me fight for Dion. Not be Dion I fight for a foundation. You understand? Because now me I know want make that foundation go down, make them close down. Now make me stand bang bang bang. Not be Dion. I not fight for Dion. You understand? So when Dion come they talk say why you wear, you understand? We can't see you like me. I not come go. I can't I can't stop her. Even those people will be one make them bring that foundation down. They can't even. You know, they're not the one again. Una know now. But una fight for two friends where they play for 10 years. Not be say na business, now that they fight put. No, not be say na because of waiting this one carry come. Personal issue. Now na come the one agree now. No, we not agree, we must win. No, we not agree, we don't they win, they go. Me I play for na more and listen. I really like what she do for me. Some people will feel the thought say, he don't use them, he don't throw away them. He not send una before. Oma carry giwa. Even London not even send una. Because a tafia wajo, they not send una. I make an egui. Because na cause away the quarter conde. Ona do anya na bonya no yo we. Ona nya no reya. What is this one? So I know call your name. I know now. People will say yeah, but some of una don't already know me. If I see your nonsense comments, I know they look for viewer. Even though say na one person, they not make me not even they do direct. I go do I go put on. If I see me, I go wait till you to go look for work because wait till they do now not be work. If you not talk well, I will block you. I don't need that. I no more the button. I don't need do now. People where they look for. When they look for viewers, now I know they block. Like me, I know they look. If you the viewers, if I put on for they would like can go watch them. If I just see your nonsense, I go just block them. Bang, and it can sweet me. I they like can well. You understand? Because una not get brain. Oma ze go wagwa. Una want push am. Always don't see she husband play. Who are you push it? Una no they use sense. One use sense now. Person read they never reach 1 month. E sa gave wa be saladian. I want na for na ya we gbe do na still continue. No, mo na not bring anything come for na. Na so e tell na. O ze tamu wa be o land wa ma ho wa yan. Obe say UK ni na wa na gbe na bukpo. UK when na wa gbe na they fight for road. Una wan still dey push am now. All na when you saladian wow. So mo na carry na chair mo na go back. Yema you need there. I support you. Monica, I just support you for that thing because they don't get sense. More than they listen because she vex on that Thailandian. They come out Thailandian because here where I do know what that ze mioja we regbe. Ozeta muwa wa mahon. Ona when you wa mioja. Ama even no even mention na name. More than they even they happy. More than listen. I want to do something.
At the verse, which people are the verse for? Two-faced people. People where you say they hide, they can't draw leg comments. Which kind of hiding be that one? At the verse, for people where they blow fire, at the same time, they all water for hand. They say that they offer, but now that they blow the fire. And the verse for people when they say without social media, they said no, say they don't go get joy. They don't go get laugh. They don't go get peace. Without social media, they go dead darkness. Light no go dead yourself. Without social media, things not complete for them. Now those people now they vex for. But yet, now that they put fire for social media for inside body, but for outside they all water for hand, that they cry follow everywhere. Now they go be the first to write post. I don't tire for fight oh. This side don't too long go. They gonna stop oh. But for inside body, now they want know which color pants. Therefore Monica Nyash. Now I come talk to. And many of you are like that. Una be my followers. Many people they use a paper say, I make go. Almost enough you. Okay? But I want to say, una when they inside, we be like this. Say, una they fool una self, number one. Now una go lose at the end of the day. And una they sick. Those of una where hold water for hand, they off the fire for present of Monica. But una they blow am when Monica not there, they shame on una. Me, Monica, I not be hypocrite. I not be fake person. I not dead spirits. So I go fit tell you truth to your face. Blah. If you don't like them, look for the group of people will be like you, two-headed sword. Do you understand? If I use people like you, take go back and back. If the people like you, two-headed sword, where they talk for math and for nyash, now I say round body, I for never reach where I did so. So, why I want to cry if I tell you the truth today and you won't come like me again? It do me all good. You know why? My own peace is important than you. When not fit stay one place. Because many people when not they fit stay one place, they sick. May doctor, I be motivational speaker. Every name you are born. What you happen to me, I go share them. If you want pick for inside, you pick. I not be doctor. I be doctor by talk. If God can still do it for A, can do it for you too. I am not a doctor that will give you injection, that will give you tablet. No. I can give you injection by talk. So many of you now when they like this. Parasites. Amoeba. Psychopaths. Disorder of all the disorder. Soulless people. Egoistic people. Self-centered people. I cannot help you. You are just my follower. You will remain there. I cannot help you. And you will not be respected. Don't think Monica have plenty people. You know they know you lie. I'm too intelligent. And you will not be respected. I am warning all of you that are like this. When carry water for outside, carry fire for inside. You know yourself. You know why I go tell you say I know you and you know yourself. Should I break it down? My people. Many of you now they outside, they look me from outside. Many of you now even they my great GPC. Yes, many they inside. They be two-headed. Now two-way they talk for mouth. The amount, if they talk speed, go they follow you and come on. They go they talk for you. I know they. So even they use money support me. How they money? They'll go work. You know, pay they don't like money what they'll support them. But even at that, they still they talk for 2 months. The amount, this one go they talk 1. The other one go they throw away spits. Now I come talk to. If una no fit stay one place, if una no fit stay one place, you see this 2021. So, your own life never change. Your attitude no one change. Social media trouble, you no one make it rest for your body. Probably no there. They write congratulations for Monica. Shut up. No call me. No, so in short, don't register for the evil gang. Go there. You don't go see go. You don't ever see the where Monica have the people don't live, huh? Grace. I don't know myself. When I know what I carry, where I know, say, even if me and you quarrel, you go, you must they miss me. When I know, say, I never offload my load, finish. Your eye go die for many. Now I beg you, may you stay when you don't even know yourself. You know if you identify with who you are. You are just like, oh, me. You don't do. I don't like them. People when no say, if they follow me either by money, by support, by age, and they respect you. Either by you fight for me, for outside, only God know what you do for inside. I don't care. But God know. If you know your character is like this, take left from me. I don't like it. And I don't like, see, I like everybody. Don't get me wrong. But I hate when person when no say, he don't know your identity, he don't know your papa name, he don't know where he belong. He go come Monica front. Monica, we be women. No! Hell! I'm the leader. Go there. Leader needs high intellectual, soft people like her to stand close to me. No be you where just be your filter. You where or you where we don't know your papa name. You where they are abroad, where your fellow woman they play up and down. I know they blame you. Now your head. God no give up the same head. Now your head, no problem. Stand for that side. Who no back when you got 10 now? Stand for back. If you not feel stand for back for Monica followers, as your head no they quick carry something. Problem no they. Oh yeah, go to the other side. Alele. Go to the other side. okay. Now, present of una. I never refer to nobody. And I can never refer to nobody. Because I did not see anybody caliber, thinking true, speaking true like me. I did not see. They are all riffraff. Yes, I said it. If their name is riffraff, let them identify with it. And they will always identify with who they are. If they are a boy way, let them identify with it. Somebody cannot be talking and say, Monica Ojegi, let me go because a president man. For what? But you, when they follow a Marie Bay like me, somebody go talk a Ojegile, you go put me there, say, shut up, stop calling Monica Ojegile. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you call me Ojegile? And you are my follower. You say you are my lover. How dare you identify me when they are talking about the rubbish identity that is not mine? I've done my part, my lovely people. It is now your own to do your own part. I, Monica, I have done my part. And when you they follow, they go do your own part. You're supposed to have pride of yourself. But because many people in this life, they are so empty, they don't have identity. Good, but don't use yourself to compare me that have went through the fire, water, hill, and I'm standing. Hello. What is wrong with you? Somebody will come out and begin to say, she lies. He's a liar. And you begin to look at that person and make posts about it. Monica, I think you should just end it once and for all. What is your business? What are you even thinking? Do you think that person is really talking to me? Then you have to fix yourself. You. If you believe somebody I left behind is talking to me and you will say you the follow leader, you have the right to listen. It's a shame. Now that one then they make me the best. My people, you guys have a lot to do, please. I still have handful of people who don't know, say, they just look and they say, gradually dying, dead among the living. Ah, Monica. That's how this one crawl with Monica live forever. Oh, I still have them. And I still have those who cannot, if they just did the other, say, and you say, Monica, my dear, and the people are going out of Pamabina. When lovers see me, you are a viewer, continue to view. If you ever call me because he Monica is rude, so they need to me. I don't if I know the Mutiame or Ben the lady in a get Tony. Why? In India social media, woman deal with Tia. Woman, you bad fire make example when look. Don't dare me. Yeah, it deal with that. Low life in the wrong, ni hene. Aleyano, ni high, ni wrong, ni feko lewe. I dey support, but I do like this. He to me Monica, Monkuna, ni amete. They will waste social media. Me man, me amu. Eagle flog, eagle disgrace. He ain't believe. He ain't believe. Because when wawami emena, when I say enough is enough, it's enough. When I say enough is enough, it's enough. I can't repeat myself. I hate it. It makes me sick. You make woman even and by. What's your problem? Do why not? Do why you copy? That him you work up over. Oh my God, they can wanna make dinner. They can wanna me. I mean, I can't afford. Go and look for therapy. Go and look for cleaning job. everything when Netherlands comes up. I must bring everything out for you guys. Did I say I was answering to any bedside? After I don't bring everything out for now, anything where people where I live behind turn out to, you have no right to bring it to. If you wash and you know yourself, you just passed. Why are you still writing? Monica should stop replying to her. Monica should really put, you should put her to this thing, Jare. I hate it. You should put her out of your life because she's more important to you. Me, I can swear, since March till today, if I've ever watched this lady, either by YouTube or by Facebook, and you need to follow the UK, then let's talk about. Il a type any there, il a Facebook already from since March, almost one. That is Monica. That is why I'm the leader. You have to be at the back. Because I'm not a tafia person like you. You are just big. You are just a tafia. You cannot stop what you don't want. Me, Monica. If she that close to this window, she naked, I will not wash. That's me. That's who I am. No, but yes, say she sit down. Why you let her? Why you let her? Why do you compare? No, I don't compare. Yeah, compare. Oh, I know. Tell you, or we what? Or when I love us, because now I love us. What think good of me? You know that this thing that is going on is not ordinary. This is mental case. This is not ordinary. Social media, a real blogger, or which I want call her, people where they analyze issue. Sometimes they bring the matter come for us. You analyze and go finish. This one, the person not they talk to you. The person not call your name. The person not they even argue with you. Anything when you say the person be, say, the person still they do. You don't know say that meta talk power if I go back again, go watch Monica. Nice video where go give you sense. You say you don't fair get sense. If you fair get sense, how come I want thing that they tell you know the year? First you start to the talk. Wait till I don't give out, I don't talk around. Not be say you see one video when me come man, me come say, shebi you tell me say I don't fit on. Ooh, when you come see say now that way in the reply, he just carry my thing. I don't give up. I don't go ever answer him. If he like, he go cry. Me. If you want to know where I be, don't bake him. Yeah, you will. We be there so. Una not see that in touch at that time. Oh, he said so. All that the boy gave up. I'm posing Monica. Oh, pour me must to cook on the yam. Oh, who so you die court, who so you die police, why is there so abo? Amy, I give up on you, Monica. You will know when you are so. anywhere that I respond, me and you, who's supposed to step left for that person? I beg don't do. One thing I hate so much, people that don't really accept their wrong, putting it on another. Do you think Monica is the problem on social media? You are the problem. Because you don't select who you wash. Now doing one thing or the other. I never get time to wash Robin. The only person I washed just now was Lovely. But do you know how many live videos did when I watch Lovely? Because only Lovely makes sense to me. I'm adult. You adult. You are waiting for Monica to come and I don't fair tell you. If you they follow me and you think I should quiet, please get out of here because you don't even know my mission. My mission is not to quiet, it's to do my work. And when the people rise and continue to cry for my work, I should not answer, and I have never answered. But they get fight when they come, when they finish. Why divorce come there? Do you know why divorce? So that it go finish. So that it go finish. After divorce, you see woman still they come down for your door. Wait till police they do arrest. If you they fight for Monica, you don't know the one when you don't key, when you will say this one allow you there, you know, you face away. You don't get. So you just they fight for Monica, or one not even they die, you know, they try. Monica, you were winning this battle with your silence. Why this now? These are the problem of lady brainwash. This is the problem. Have you seen where I'm talking to? I'm talking to you. I'm a problem. She is not the problem. You guys are the problem. You guys are the problem. I'm sorry. That's why I say, Monica followers, I am angry of you guys. Imagine what you are saying now. Monica, you were winning the battle. By who? Who am I battling with? That is how tomorrow now you guys will still come to me and say, Monica, you stay here from Netherlands. He is done and dusted. She is done and dusted. If I'm talking, take my word out of it. I am so angry. You can't hear two friends say, hey, today, hey, friend is not good though. Friend can betray. The moment you hear it, you go put her inside, you have problem. Go deal with yourself, guys. Not me.
For there, I will put the video more now watch and finish, or now go watch and for Monica YouTube. Wait till she talk, many people not go like her, but she just open her mind, talk to those one where they push her, those one where they push her, I like waiting she talk, because you know say some people they because they support you, you go want make they do everything. Just because they support you, although they not do a comment the way they do one like this. I say me you do one like this. Where do I make? But when you come to ask yourself, say, remote control me here. Some people dey like that, oh, not be lie, oh. Some people dey like that. They go remote you, just because orijo bohere no, where pene gbuwa do move for. So with this video, when Monica do, when I say her yesterday, I really like her. I really like her. She dey hungry. Let me catch she dey. You know hear when she talk and say she dey hungry. You know say something. And yes, so I boom. But do second I can't dey smell. Person where you reach UK never reach anything. Now still dey push her. Now vex come out can't tell una say more una carry una share. More una carry go back. You get setting. So me I like the video really because. Sometimes all this follower because just say they just they follow you, will they watch you, will they help you, they share. They will just turn you like up there or so no really no start I talk and say this quarrel whether the quarrel between two of them. Say it not go finish because of say two of them they're there for social media. But all those followers they don't get sense. When they carry video, go to send I don't know even here now they carry video, watch. Okay, watching almost to the gun. Because now they cause some. So my people, me I leave una. I will put the video for there. I cut time because I not put up. I just say me I just cut time. Me I just listen to this one. But if you don't want to go watch and I'll go watch the full video for there. But this one where I cut where I not play finish, I'll put on for there. Una want watch and me watch am. More na wise. Those of una where they do live video. More na wise. Some followers they not good. Sometimes if I see some video if I dey watch her, especially for Aproko, if I dey watch her, you can see some people go they comment for there say we not the green, we not go green or we not go green. This matter we go win now. This one now not be saying na matter the matter na two of the get out. Now when it concern Monica and Lolo, they go say they not the green. We must win. We go win. We are the champion. We are this one. What it concern you for another man wahala? He tell them say she don't want reply again. They not agree. They say she must so reply. You know say some people they because he follow you. I try to just because he fights for you. Hey, now what if she go they talk and now you go they do? If you not call do and go contact you say hey, Obama you say again now where no he saying you first of all. First of all, he not say you. Now you say yourself. You see, say you not person where you like. You get up, say, okay. The person can't tell you, say, Igikwe, I don't want again. Don't do like that. You go say, no. The battle. I want that one now. You understand? You go say, I want that one now. Because you know, can't do and now you go say, you must do and finish. Otherwise, the other side go talk, say, we be loser. Another man problem, they carry put for head. They say, make she carry, you must finish her. What you want finish? Again, you have for 10 years. Mona see reason now. Now 10 they take play that time. Because now come back, now put fire. Petrol, they put everything. It can't be like a boom. On a guan they don't say they talk to the other. If this one talks more, they say, no, now you they refer to not be another person. So my brothers and sisters, that's why I see her. I just like what she do. If not me, I go still do one. Go another place. Really? Because when it gain ma baby need to take a me parable say it gain ma go where for. Since you know good again, you want me they do everything. No. The best thing carry your wahala go one corner, go another side. What did she do? I like her. So I believe say maybe another people not constantly come and come they sort of you don't use them, don't throw away them. Nobody they use anybody, nobody throw away person. If you see say something too much for your brain, if you see say too much, you go find way where you take throw away that something. Because to Maria Gbinya the social media. Because some people wait this for social media. I don't know whether they know what it carry them come. I don't know. They want to concern my sister. Because of she don't reach UK. Una no say UK now then they fight where. I see the time where that Yoruba people where they fight. They fight where they want push her again. May they say okay, now that side of Donio boy na ya Monica now I call you sense. Okay, what I go do me I cry come out. Can't tell these people make the park where. I don't want they do what you now want again. If you don't want follow me, mona go. I like the way she tell do am because otherwise before you know anything under 3 months you na come here say boom fight dey don burst for that side. So some people there e dey pretend say like you but he want your downfall. The many now if you use sense now you go know. If you no use sense who dey yeti why the yeti na go leave you for there. He go say I talk am. Now that person na go still talk I talk am say you must see Eminaga Hewe udori your whenever. Now you my brothers and sisters. So if you know they do live video, that make me not get friends. Even I don't want, I don't need any problem. I just they carry myself, they go. Now my pikin, my husband, my brothers and sisters, they be my friends. I don't need them because I was saying I'm here we bu 18 years you, 18 years we fieti. They'll put you for 80 for that, they'll leave you. So follower, they need problem. They get problem. They don't need that problem. Maybe they do one. You know, not see say if you, a person say want do saga. Like say now say na saga want do. You can't see many people. They'll come they watch. Right down, mama. You do and well. But if you they talk something way good, you not go see them. Then they find saga they go. So now be that to my brothers and sisters. More than they use na saying. I bet if you they follow person, you know say you like. I know they push on. No they push on. The person they do bad. Still tell them. No, so about me you don't still tell that person. No push and say right down, and go do one. If they talk to you, because you know, say if you they tell person something way bad, that person has they hear them. With a baby ya. Or with a baby ya, then that thing go I go must talk, I must go there, I must go fight. Person go tell and say, no send me video again. I don't want hear, I don't want listening. Carry go. No, yeah. You must watch am and then they talk. You must watch am. I bet watch am. Hey, no good if you not watch am. They'll say we don't win. What you na want win? They want give you na money. They want give you na million say una win. No. Na two friends na fight. Not be saying another thing. Now so it show my brothers and sisters. So me I leave una for there. So I beg una wey still they follow people. More na still try. More on they put fire. More on they push person say you must go fight. Nake I got winner why you what they not see una again. If problem don't come out, that now two of them now go come, now go carry their head. Because all these things for don't finish, therefore don't even say to self. This one go say, no, we not agree. The other side, no, we not agree na bad head. Now which? Now that one. No, I can't forget, say they fed they play that time. They fed they wear the same shoe, the same clothes. Now cause where everything come make boom. Selected. And then there for UK now for too sweet, they'll still come they do like twist they go. If for too sweet, if for too sweet. So now be that one, So my brothers and sisters, on bye bye. Now bye bye. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Now ciao. Now happy weekend again. Mona dey enjoy yourself. I bet those of una wey dey here, una know say I know they like. I don't want me to block anybody because I get one character. If I block you, I no go open again. I know they open. So if I dey do something, when I not come they put insult, say come they insult me. I don't need that. I make me I don't even they insult person. So I don't need that make person come they insult me also. You understand? So if you just if you want do your comment, do and where yeah insulting me. Why you bomb me? I'll just block you and I know they open again. That be mail. Now bye. I greet everybody. I see every comment. Watch out. You say wait you say I block who I block. Now me they talk to another person. You say I block Toby John. I don't even know be Toby John, Messi Bello, you say I block somebody. Now me, I've been another person. I just see the comment. Now me, I just quickly reply you. Now me, I've been another person. If you tell you say I block her, maybe insult me because I know the. Now me, if you tell you say I block her, you answer and say you go insult Untouchable Mama. You know say insult me. I know the block person. You understand? If you ask me question, if I feel like I go answer you. If I don't feel like say that question, I know answer. But this one now, maybe insult me, I know the block person. Not be say as you don't the comment now, I just they start the block person. I know they do that. I know they do that one. Maybe I they do audio, you can't insult me. Like that one now, where say go look for a work. When I work now, they so. But I not block that one. That one not be insult. I just take time like that. So if he insults me, I go block her. If you know insult me, he block her. If I see say some two people, if I see say two people they fight for my page, I go still tell them say I beg, I don't need this sort for this page. So go say who your page help, and then now go they block. Now go block that person. You understand? Because my page see they help many people. So that one not they like am. So if you say I block her, it do something. May sorry. So may use another one because I know they open. Because you know say some people may so raw. They know they change. They know if you open them, they know how they work and what's this say. Now make me another open. I'll say if you want use another one. If you use and take us me, if a block I know they like insults. We all are adults. Small pikin not there for social media. At least if person they talk, you know one watch you come on. Sometimes me I they watch some video. If I see say wait till they talk, it makes sense. I go watch them. If I see say they insult person, they want to learn. I know they like them. Say I join enter video one way I go just run come on for them because that cause way they cause you know they make sense. It make sense at all. If you the advice person, I go still pick for inside if I like. If I not like to say I get what I do, I'll come up for them. So now be that one. Now bye bye. I greet everybody. Now thank you for being there. Watch out.